Hey everyone, I want to go over why I honestly feel that the LECTRIC 2.0 is your best value folding e-bike for under $1,000. For me, owning the bike for just about a year, it's a no-brainer. And compared to other e-bike competitors on the market, a lot of them are quite a bit more expensive than what the LECTRIC is. And yes, I realize they come with more bells and whistles, but for a beginning budget e-bike, you cannot go wrong with LECTRIC at all. First of all, as I said, it is a folding e-bike. You can clearly see this. You have the folding frame hinge right here. You have the standard width handlebars. They're not small. These are the same width handlebars that you're going to find on a traditional mountain bike. So you have enough room to put your extra things on the handlebars, as you can see on my bike for an example. Put your mirrors on the end if you want to do that. The bike comes stock with 20 by 3-inch tires. They're decent tires, and it comes with two. The tires that are default tires have a built-in puncture-resistant liner built into the actual tire tread itself. The bike does have front and back mechanical disc brakes. Of course, you can do upgrades down the road if you want. It does have 160 millimeter rotors. The bike also supports a 7-speed drivetrain. Come around over here. 7-speed drivetrain, front suspension forks. You really can't ask for more. You really can't. Your display also allows you to go in and modify the settings of the bike as far as your power, the output of your power, changing the bike from 20 miles per hour up to 28 miles per hour. Some other bikes, the display does not allow you to go in and have a display settings to where it's an advanced menu where you can make changes to your bike to customize it for your riding style. The bike, compared to other competitors, yes, I know there are some lighter weight e-bikes that have come out and that do exist, but overall the bike is average in weight to the other average bikes that you're going to find out there on the market, around 65 pounds. So other than that, it is a great value for under $1,000 for everything you get starting out right out of the box. The company stands behind it. The customer service is great from my personal experience. And almost a year into the bike, I have not had any actual issues with the bike outside of standard maintenance, keeping up on the things you have to keep up on. And anything else I've altered and changed on the bike has been because of personal preference. So yes, the bike is definitely, in my opinion, your best budget folding e-bike for under $1,000, guys. Keep safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.